And we are back with more random food eating contests. I look crazy. Okay, so we have about 50 pieces of popcorn each. Now the rules. Tell them the rules.
You gotta eat it with your mouth.
I think she's secretly a guy. Okay, so you gotta go just like that. Okay, so can you not again with just like the pickle thing? Okay, so on your mark, get set, and go. Hey, use your hands. Go. That's your popcorn. Sound like a monkey. Uh-oh.
Shit!
Oh shit.
You know this is hot.
What?
You know this is hot.
That's oh shit. Ow.
Oh.
That's embarrassing. Wow. There is nothing left. Oh, that was attractive. Keep it going.
No!
You're almost done.
Okay.
I think it might take her a while. So, in other words, I win. Except for the embarrassing moment. That's what YouTube's for. So, yeah.
Oh, I sniffed it.
Crackhead. Look at that. Isn't that a crackhead face? She even got the Coke with her. Okay, so that was another
Where's the
episode
carrot?
of Random Food Eating Contest. Thanks for joining us. We might be back if she doesn't overdose on the Coke. Say bye.